Hi everyone, today I'm going to be mixing every single one of my slimes together to create some type of slime. I don't know if the textures will mix, but this will be interesting to see. It's something I've been curious to do and something I've also been requested to do as well. Let's get this going. So for those of you who haven't seen previous slime videos of mine, what the slime even is about is to help with anxiety. It is something that you can kind of play with. Most children play with it, but I play with it at 22 years old. It's okay. It's something I like. I like the smell of them. I like the feel of them. And I have a lot of them. And so I decided to, why not put them all together? I don't know what it'll smell like. I definitely don't know what it'll feel like. And I don't know what it'll look like. But the ones I have today to mix are Carousel Crunch. This is supposed to be a cotton candy slime. It has beads in it, or like little balls in it, and then the bottom is blue. I have Matcha and Cream Puff. This is a harder slime just for the simple fact that I added extra borax, but it is simply only green. I have Shamrock Puff. It is green again. It's a different consistency, more like a clay slime, but I actually put this in with me to the bathtub, so it kind of created a more of a goopy feel to it. So that'll be interesting. Captain Crunch. This one's in between hard, not because there is a cut in this plastic, so it got harder over time, but it has balls in it as well. This one is Banana Split Crispy. This one has sprinkles in it. It smells like bananas, and it's got foam beads. I have Root Beer Float. I have two different Root Beer Float kinds. This one and this one. And basically they are root beer float mixed together, the ice cream and the root beer, but it smells like the same thing. Different consistency, just a little bit. Obviously different packaging as well. I have Mud Mask. This one is a spreadable slime and I don't have much of it left, so I'm actually just gonna use a teensy-weensy bit of it. I have Unicorn Snake Cake, or Snack Cake. This one smells amazing. It just smells like fruit and candy, and it's just a deep blue. Unicorn Jelly, as you can see, has pearls in it. It's translucent glitters, and it smells basically the same as Unicorn Snack Cake, but awesome jelly texture. French Vanilla Fantasy smells exactly like cinnamon rolls from Cinnabon. Oreo Cheesecake smells like a cheesecake filling, not necessarily exactly like Oreo cheesecake. Baja Blast is a cloud slime. It smells exactly like the Baja Blast from Taco Bell. Unicorn Cake Pops smells like the unicorn jelly and the unicorn snack cake. It is got sprinkles in it, it's got big balls in it, and it's got little balls in it. This one is Red Velvet Buttercream. It's a spreadable buttercream clay slime. This is Lucky Charms Frosting. It is more like a clay slime, soft clay. It's got sprinkles in it. This is my favorite, Birthday Musketeers. It's got sprinkles in it, foam beads, other beads. Smells like Three Musketeers. Chanel No. 2, their best seller, is a jelly slime. It's a little bit more hard, I think, because there might be a cut in this or something, or maybe it was added borax something, but we'll see. And Metallic Thin Mint, which is amazing. It smells just like the Thin Mints from the Girl Scout cookies. Those are every single slime we're gonna mix together. Now let's do this. I'm gonna start with Metallic Thin Mint. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take a little bit of each together, because I really like my slimes and I don't want to take too much. Chanel No. 2. Whew, that smells like bubble gum. Birthday Musketeers. Lucky Charms. Not mixing them together just yet. Red Velvet Buttercream. Whew. It's gonna be crazy. I'm trying to be fast. Unicorn cake pops. Love the smell. Maybe a little bit more. Baja Blast. I do not like this texture. Oh, it's sticky already. Oreo cheesecake. Mud mask. Barely any of this. Shamrock puff. Matcha and cream. That's a really hard slime. I'll only do half of that. Carousel Crunch. Root beer float. Got some more on me. Okay. French Vanilla Fantasy. Unicorn. Oh my gosh, that looks so pretty. Jelly. With the glitters. Aw. So pretty. Captain Crunch. Some of these I hate taking out. This is the Unicorn Snack Cake. Banana Split Crispy. Oh no, already mixed a little bit. Oh my gosh. And the final one, root beer float.
These feelings, I can't let them go. It's harder for me to explain. You would think that I would know how to make the sun shine when it rains. But it's all a mystery. We both have history, mix of the highs and the lows. And that's why
I have it boiled down from every single slime I own to 4 different categories I'm going to mix together at this point. This one is the banana split crunchy slimes mixed with all the other slimes that have things in them. It's hard to see because it's really bright, but it's got the Cloud Baja Blast in it. You can tell from that texture. It's got a little bit of a crunch to it, and it's got little beads in it. So that's that category. Got this category, which has also a couple beads in it from that, okay, wait, that might not have had the cloud in it. This has the cloud in it, which again, like I said, you can tell there. I think it has Captain Crunch in it. It's got the carousel, the rainbow cake, and Chanel. So it's kind of like poppy. jelly stringy. It's much different than the other category. This one is more of the clay, but it also has other scents in it too. So it's more of the spreadable. These are all different textures. And then this is more jelly, but also slight spreadable. You can tell that Oreo cheesecake's in there, and it's poppy. So now I'm gonna mix them as we go. This is giving it kind of like a cotton candy feel. Kind of like a light purple or a gray. And it's still slightly spreadable. Okay, these are two different textures. One is a poppy, sizzly, and one is a straight up spreadable slime like the mud mask. Oh, wow, this feels cool.
When I need space, a small escape, a place to roam. That's where
So I really enjoyed this experience. In the end, I actually ruined the slime. I mean, it is still slime. I'm pulling really hard. But I added a whole thing of borax. I added new beads, and it looks like a rock. That's what it looks like now. But before, it still had that same color, and it was like a spreadable slime. I probably could have saved it, but there's really no reason to anyway. It was just for fun, and it was a really great experience. So there you have it. I have every single slime that I own. I mixed together, and it's a lot of fun. Thanks, guys, for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and click the bell button to be alerted when I post, which is twice a week. Thanks so much for watching, and have a beautiful day.